Kwa ihinda ruhonge rwa githomo rukoretwo rukigumirwo ni huhukanio cia mithemba yothe, ica ikuhi ari Mahitia ma ucabithia wa mabuku ma muigana wa ciringi bilioni 7, aciari na arutani magikirira nganja ukinyaniru wa githomo gia ciana. Mahitia maya maria meyumiritie mabuku-ini ma githungu, githwairi, mathabu, biology na physics ni hamwe na kwandikwo urugu wa ciugo, page imwe kwaga, kuhegeshithanio kwa topic na mangĩ maingĩ.
Sasa hapa akisema kuna vielezi viulizi, vielezi viigizi, vielezi vionyeshi, hakuna aina hizo za vielezi.
Ona kuhana oro uguo Mahitia maya matingihotomia gikiro gia githomo na njira o yothe, murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa mitaratara ya githomo KICD dagitari Julius Jwan akiuga giki no gicunje kinini tu.
International standards for book evaluation give room for up to 10% of errors, as long as the book comprehensively covers the syllabus and the curriculum before you decide that a book be withdrawn from the market. And at that stage, that is when we do submit what we call an errata to the teachers who are teaching those various subjects on the corrections that they need to know.
Kuringana na Jwan, Mahitia maya makoretwo kwa ihinda iraya, kuona mitaratara ya githomo ndikoretwo ikirorwo weru mahinda kwa mahinda.
Naturally, we are supposed to review our curriculum every 5 years. So after every 5 years, all the books are supposed to be reviewed in line with a revised curriculum based on the various subjects. And I think that is why books are also prepared with the lifespan of 5 years. If we had followed the normal curriculum review process, these books could have been modified by around the year 2009.
Mwenaini wao acabithia a mabuku ni merire kamitii ino ati Mahitia maya gukorwo makioneka ihinda riri kurumirira mutaratara uria thirikari yahuthirire gucagura acabithia aria maheirwo kandarathi ino.
I can tell you, and you can, my members can attest to this, that the bookshops were not happy with the new model of procurement. And obviously, the reasons are obvious. Some publishers were not happy with the model of procurement. But what we need to remember, sir, is that books are in the hands of schools.
Thirikari no ithiete na mbere gutwara mabuku thukuru-ini ngurani thiini wa icigo ciothe guku bururi-ini ona thengia ya morito maria makoretwo kuo.
By end of April, 32.8 million books will actually be in the hands of 6 or 5 million children in start 7 and 8 from 1 to 4.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.